Welcome to second grade ELA Tidbits. You can access the full grade 2 Tidbits deck using the bit.ly G2 Tidbits 25. The slides include my detailed notes and links to all the resources discussed. We are going to break down modules for the week of September 22nd. The map shows the journey of the standards throughout the week. Students practice Reading Informational 2.1 and Reading Informational 2.2 throughout the week during a close read aloud of Off to Class. Students respond to questions about the text in writing, which is standard W2-6. Lastly, students begin writing an informational piece using their class notes, which is practice for W2-2. This set of lessons prepares students to demonstrate their progress of Reading Informational 2.1 and W2-2 on the end of unit assessment in lessons 6 and 7. The chart on the screen shows the journey of the standards throughout the year. Reading Informational 2.1, Ask and Answer Questions, is taught and assessed in every module. Mastery of this standard is key to student success on all the other RI standards. Because RI 2.1 is so critical, we are going to unpack it today as our high leverage standard. In our next tidbit, we will unpack W2-2. Now let's unpack the standard by looking at sample question stems and the essential skills of the standard. Reading Informational 2.1. Ask and answer questions such as who, what, when, where, why, and how to demonstrate understanding of key details in a text. Question stems from the Close Read Aloud Guide and Note Catcher include: where is the rainforest school? What is the solution? How are the children in Xixua, Brazil, able to go to school? Essential skills for this standard include: demonstrate understanding of key details, reference the text, and answer who, what, when, where, why, and how questions about the text. Now that we have a better understanding of the standard, let's look at how it is assessed. In looking at the Grade 2 Standards-Based Report Card rubric, we know that students probably haven't mastered the standard yet. At this time of year, we are looking for them to be at progressing, where they are beginning to demonstrate the skills in this standard. For students to reach mastery, they need to be able to ask questions to clarify and answer questions to demonstrate understanding consistently in multiple texts. To track progress of RI 2.1 and the other standards in Unit 2, you can use the Unit 2 Student Work Rubric to assess different parts of the Off to Class notebook, which mirror the end of unit assessment. Let's look at a few teacher and student actions for RI 2.1 asking and answering questions. In Work Time A of the Lesson 3 narrative, the teacher facilitates a close read aloud session 2. This and the other close read aloud sessions provide students practice in answering who, what, when, where, why, and how questions about different sections of the text off to class. Students also respond to questions in writing in their What is School notebook during Work Time B. The routine of close read alouds and writing sessions prepare students for the format and questions of the assessment. During this session of the close read aloud, the teacher also facilitates a language dive to deepen students' understanding of the complex language of the text. Students break apart the sentence, "They could access Brazil's online learning program," which gives them the chance to get a high school education without leaving their village. This single complex sentence is packed with key details. Students answer, who is the sentence about? What could the students in Xixua do? How does getting Brazil's online learning program solve the community's problem? Now that we understand the teacher and student actions in the lesson, we can anticipate possible misconceptions and prepare just-in-time supports. During the close read aloud, if students struggle writing the solution, then have students rehearse the solution with a writing partner or provide them with a modified version of the notebook page that includes sentence frames. Supports can be found on All Things Literacy in the Module 1 Advancing Student Learning document and linked here in the slides. Thank you for joining me for this week's Tidbits. See you back next week.